If you've ever noticed that your lathe OD profiling appears to gouge the part, as you can see in this example here, the reason it's doing that is it sees this groove in this nut, and we need to tell Fusion to ignore that. And the way to do that is what's called Spun Profile. So in the second setup, I've right-clicked, Edit, and under the model, I've checked Spun Profile. So behind the scenes, Fusion is rotating this model, and that forces it to take the maximum extent of the geometry. So that causes it to ignore things like these grooves for a spanner wrench. We'll regenerate our toolpath, and we can now see that it ignores those grooves. And if you still want it to avoid even tapering down at the back end here, I'll right-click, duplicate, and I'll edit that second profile. And under grooving, we can change it from allow radial and axial grooving to don't allow grooving. That will cause our OD profiling tool to just simply take a straight pass. And this is a common way we see lathe parts made, because I want to do my OD profiling pass with one tool, and I'm going to use a different tool to come in here and finish this geometry. This model is available to download on the NYC CNC website as a sample, and as a general rule, we prefer leaving Spun Profile checked for most of the parts that we do.